Now, to give it a full story, woke up today, had some coffee, made a website, created it, took some to the post office, and now we own a bike. Let's go. Oh yes, that's right. I basically sent him Joseph Seibels back because they didn't justify that 100 bucks. These are Primarks. They ride pretty smoothly now. The plan is to go to Horst and have a little drink yonder. That's the plan at least. Someone's skating. Crow over there. I love this day, man. I don't even know if I ever heard of this place, Higelsong, but there's a church, so I'm safe. City streets out here. There's something up ahead. So that's what's up in Higelsong. Oh, they got art up there. Let's go there. Check out the art in Higelsong. Gemeente Horst aan de Maas, kippen op boomstakken. It's kind of hard to translate that because I don't know what it means actually. I'm sorry. Man, check this out. I feel right at home. Isn't that cool? Now, don't ask me to tell you what it's written out there, because that's not my kind of language. But something about my village between Peel and Maas, where I'm born, my heart. Oh no, I lost my heart out here. Something about where they at, I'm not too sure. And then Higelsong, my village between Peel and Maas. That's what's up. Apparently we got to take a selfie out here. Think I finally found Horst. I got no clue what that is, but looks like a route. Stock bone route. That's the same thing that I couldn't translate to y'all. And it's over here. We are still en route, as they call it in French, I think. Definitely reached city center right now. Now the main question is, what am I gonna have me for drinks out here?